Alright foodies, have you ever taken a bite and thought, wow, how did they get so much flavor in this? Let's crack the code on how to create truly flavorful dishes at home. No culinary degree required, just a bit of kitchen curiosity. At the heart of every unforgettable dish, it's all about balance. The 5 tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Think of these as the bass notes in your kitchen symphony. Add in aromatics and textures, and suddenly, you're not just eating, you're experiencing food. Now, if you're seeking global inspiration, some cuisines have flavor down to an art form. Southeast Asian cooking pops with lime's acid, fish sauces umami, and handfuls of fresh herbs. Indian curries? It's a masterclass in spice blending, garam masala, cumin, cardamom, all swirling together. Mexican food? Smoky chilies, zippy lime, and that fresh cilantro on top. Or maybe you're after Japanese umami. Think miso, soy, and those magical dried mushrooms. But how do you get those big flavors at home? Here's my secret arsenal. Umami bombs like aged cheese, anchovy paste, tomato paste, or even MSG turn your stews and sauces into flavor explosions. Need a quick fix? A squeeze of lemon or splash of vinegar at the end wakes up even the laziest dish. Aromatics, garlic, onions, ginger, give you a flavor foundation. Remember, hearty herbs like rosemary and thyme go in early, while delicate ones, basil, cilantro, are best fresh at the finish. And listen, you don't need to drown everything in salt or fat for satisfaction. Sweet, tangy fruits like mango and cherries, roasted nuts, and creamy hummus pack intense natural flavor. Yogurt and sauerkraut bring tanginess and even help your digestion. And if you've never roasted sweet potatoes with a pinch of cinnamon or rosemary, you're missing out. What's hot in 2025? Dubai chocolate is making waves. Think dates and complex textures. Pickle-flavored everything is still having its moment. And get this, caviar on chicken nuggets. Salty, umami, and totally next level. So next time you want to wow your taste buds, remember, balance your flavors. Don't be afraid to experiment, and let your kitchen be your playground. Love this flavor adventure? Hit like, subscribe, and share with your foodie mates. Find more at Cray Star Flavor King. Happy cooking!